Yeah, make sure you comment about how this window needs some Windex. This is a 30-second tip and trick of photography. I don't think I've seen anybody make a video on this, and I just realized I hadn't made a video on it, so here we go. I've got two circular polarization filters, and you want circular polarization filters for digital photography, not linear. Look it up on Google. The way to get actually a variable ND filter, which is really expensive, really cheap, is you take two circular polarized filters, obviously the same size. You screw one into the other. You take my word for it. There's two of them there together. And what you have is a super cheap and extremely effective variable ND filter. So let me dial in. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. Yes, there we go. Yeah. 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 You see what I'm saying? There we go. I forgot that I was like, I said, didn't I make a video on this like years ago? I was like, no, I guess I didn't. So, yeah. The ultra cheap, extremely effective, the variable ND filter. I don't know if you know this or not, but variable ND filters are really expensive. And this is really cheap and extremely effective. So, thank you so much for watching. This is extremely useful, especially when it comes to crushing ambient light and dropping in a lot of fill flash. Like if you have too much dynamics range spread between your subject and your background, like they have the sun behind their shoulders and everything behind them is just like surface of the sun bright. You just stack two circular polarization filters on the front of your lens and then dial it in, crush out the ambient, and then pop in your fill light. Right. And this is why learning lighting ratios is incredibly important. Not f-stops and shutter speeds, like what's a third of a stop, half a stop, full stop. No, more important than that is lighting ratios. Thank you so much for watching. This is as simple as it gets. And